Greetings, Stan Sanders here. Code generator fail. Yes, this is the truth of programming. It takes a lot of perseverance to figure out why some things don't work. And I would like to share one of those things. So I've been trying to get a certain behavior to work on some of my other UIs. So I have written a code generator that was supposed to randomize all of these elements, but you can see I've got a key error. Why am I getting a key error? Well, because I failed to realize that my keys were not prepared properly. And you'll see in this case that prepare 0 is functional. And let's go ahead and take us back there. We go to negotiations and I click on it and it works. Yay! What I failed to do, and this is part of the fun of code generators, I failed to add the full key name to my code generator. And so it didn't work. So I still have my source. Source is all good. And now I'm going to regenerate all of this code, and hopefully it will work just the way I want it to. I'm going to add some hash marks in between just to make it easier for me to read. Okay, and theoretically I could add an I here as well. Now when I run this, I'm going to get a bunch of output here in the terminal. And I'm going to go ahead and clear that. Oh, clear. Oh, and Control F5 to run this one. Okay, so now I've got a whole bunch of new generated code with comments and hopefully the correct code. All right, so these are all events. Scroll up. And I know I could output this directly to a specific text file. I haven't done that yet. And I just did the same thing I've done a dozen times before. I can't copy from the terminal unless I use Control-Shift-C or right-click, copy. Now I'm going to go back to my event list, prepare 0 list box. Prepare 0 list box. I'm going to delete all of, okay, I need to be careful. Right there. I'm not editing the agenda. Control V. And you can see that Python is case sensitive. I'm going to tab in all of these. I'm using Visual Studio Code. All right, that should work. Tab in, Control S. And one of the things that's really nice about Visual Studio Code is that you can collapse lots of objects at the same time. And it looks like we are good to go. And let's Control F5 and see what happens. Oh, please work. All right, it's running. Bonus. Negotiations. And have you prepared enough? And if I click this, it should work. It does. If I click this, it should work as well. And it does. Oh my goodness. So happy days. If I click on them multiple times, you'll see that my code generator has saved me quite a bit of time. Once I got the code working properly, that is the key. And you'll see that I have a note here to myself. Make sure you test your code. All right, people, thanks for watching and happy computing.